I was fortunate enough to have an experience in veterinary school where I got to see a really sick animal, in this case a horse, that was literally saved by acupuncture and Chinese medicine. And I got to see it within the context of a veterinary school where very clearly every avenue of Western medicine had been exhausted and there was nothing left, and Chinese medicine literally saved this animal. You frequently get to a point with patients where you run out of options.
Think of medicine as a full range of modalities. General practice takes care of a certain percentage of that. What happens is when they get challenged, they've used all their resources and all of their ideas, yet they can't solve something or cure something. Now they can extend to the other pieces in integrative medicine and say, would that make a difference in the healing path? But you also get more choices for better health, for sustaining health, and for overcoming health issues.
Some of the treatments that Bees received first, prior to her being mobile, was acupuncture, which helped her regain a lot of her neural control, and we could see that she was actually able to, it was really neat because we could see her able to move her legs where we hadn't been before. Laser therapy, so this was all prior to her regaining any mobility at all. We did the acupuncture twice, 3 times a week, paired with the laser therapy that really helped her loosen up her muscles because they really degenerate quite quickly. And then when she was cleared to start moving, it was pretty incredible, just the rehab of manually moving her muscles. And then when she was standing and able to walk, she was doing the underwater treadmill and helping her regain a lot of her coordination and stability and building up her hind muscles where it was lost before.
Just a few days ago, I was so worried because Flash wasn't eating or drinking for like 3 days. Dr. Richter, he examined him very fully and he took his time with us. And I really appreciate that I didn't feel like rushed out or anything. He answered all my questions. He gave us NutriThrive, which is a formulation that he created with his team. Today, I mixed the formula up, I put a little water in there and made a little sauce, and I put it on his food, and Flash just gobbled it up. He was eating again, and I was so thrilled.
He's always been really bold to try therapies that other people aren't doing yet, do research and investigate into them.
After a person has something like a knee surgery done, you expect to do physical therapy. For a dog or a cat or something like that, you just expect them to be able to walk close to how they were before, and you don't consider kind of the nuances of how they recover. It's nice to see them get the same level of care that a person would after, obviously an experience that's traumatic.
When she first started, so first her tail, she really had no movement in her tail whatsoever. Her back was sort of curved, it wasn't normal, and she really wasn't using her back legs at all. It's so easy to walk her now because she's doing almost all of it herself. She can wag her tail, which is so super great.
The clients really care about their animals and they're coming to us for the optimal care that we can provide. So it's nice to have that freedom to really suggest and be able to offer the best treatment possible.
A really big portion of health issues is pain management, just managing the pain.
It's been really empowering. Her willpower has made me want to seek all the help that I can, and knowing that Holistic has state-of-the-art medicine to help her get to where she needs to be has just been incredibly positive. I feel like I'm a member of a community here.
Every story is unique. Every pet is unique. Every family is unique. Every pet guardian and pet lover is unique. And to see them come together and love their pets so much just makes me so happy.